Hello everyone, welcome back. I have more presets to give away here. They'll be in the description below. After you download them, go to Effects, look for SDS, Creator Window Pack, and drop them right on your clip. It will not work on an adjustment clip. And it'll be these corner ones, like you see on YouTube all the time. And you can pick which corner you want. Bottom left, top left, and top right. These may break in anything but 21. In the past, I had issues using the switch node in Effects. And I also included two for the left and the right. Drop it on, and it'll automatically put the top one on the far left. And if you want to move the main image, just select it, go to transform, and you can realign it. If you click on it, then go to effects, and you can flip the image too, or video, whatever you have in there. You can also align it. Then you have the borderline thickness. And color. And here's the right one. Again, it automatically go to that point. And of course, this one's already vertical resolution, so you try to adjust the center on this one, it obviously isn't going to look right. But this one is a full 16:9 image. And we have this one, and it'll put it right in there. Like I said, it'll be in the description below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.